Hello everyone, we are going to start chapter number 11. Pinocchio becomes a good real boy. It's a standard thirds English. Before we start the lesson, let's learn some new words or hard words. Awaited, waited for somebody or something. Carved, made objects, patterns, etc. by cutting away materials from wood or stone. Cheerful, happy and showing it by the way that you behave. Decided, thought carefully about different possibilities that were available and choose one of them. Dreams, imagines and thinks about something that one would like to happen. Fairy, fairy means a creature like a small person who has magical powers. Famous, known to many people. Future, the time that will come after the present. Hurry, to do things more quickly than usual as there is no time left. Jumped, move quickly off the ground or away from a surface by pushing yourself with legs and feet. Kindness, the quality of being kind. Midnight, 12 o'clock at night. Praise, words that show admiration for somebody or something. Promised, give word, okay. Puppet, a model of a person or an animal that can be made to move by pulling strings attached to parts of its body. Remembered, had or kept an image in your memory of an event, person, a place, etc. from the past. Suit, a set of clothes. Now let's start the chapter. Pinocchio becomes a real boy. Take the picture that you like more. Why do you like it? Discuss in the class. So as you can see, there are two pictures. The first picture is the baby girl, or the girl is helping her mother, and in the second picture you can see mother is working whereas the girl is watching television. So I like first picture as the girl is helping her mother in her work, right? So that is why I like it, because the girl is helping her mother. In the second picture you can see that she is not doing anything, she is just sitting and she is just watching the television, whereas in the first picture we can observe that the girl is helping her mother, right, in her work. So that is why the first picture I like the most. Dear students, do you like it? Which picture do you like? You just take it and find out or think why you like it, okay? Pinocchio is a story of a wooden puppet carved by Gepetto, a wood carver. Pinocchio is famous for having a long nose that becomes longer whenever he tells a lie. Okay, so though a wooden puppet, Pinocchio always dreams of becoming a real boy. So in this story we are going to notice that whenever Pinocchio will speak lie, its nose will become bigger and bigger, and After some time, or at the end of the story, we will come to know that how Pinocchio will become a real boy. Because here Pinocchio always dreams of becoming a real boy. So he always dreams that he would be a big real boy, and afterwards how he become a real boy, this whole story is about. Okay, as you can see, this is a picture of Pinocchio. As you can notice, its nose is very big, right? Long. Okay. Pinocchio was a truly story. He remembered all the trouble and pain he had given to his father. So Pinocchio was a real story, true story, and he remembered whichever troubles and whichever pain he has given it to his father, Gapito. Okay, Gapito is his father. Gapito is Pinocchio's father. He promised he'll look after his father, who had become very weak and old. So he has promised, Pinocchio has promised that I will look after you, Papa, I will look after you, father, and I will be a very careful person, and who had become very weak and old. So his father was becoming old and weak. Pinocchio had always hated hard work. So our Pinocchio always hate of doing hard work. Okay, and but now he worked hard to take care of his father. But now he is working very hard to take care of his father. After his father became well, Pinocchio decided to save some money but to buy clothes for himself. Okay, and his father has recovered, after his father became well, Pinocchio decided that to save some money to buy some clothes for himself. Have you ever thought to spend money or to save money for buying anything? You should save money. Okay, whenever you are getting money, suppose your parents are giving, or suppose your relatives are giving, when they are coming to your home, you should save it. Okay, and then afterwards, after saving your money, after having good amount, you can spend, but first of all you have to save it. Okay, because money will help you a lot in the future. Okay, on his way to the market, he met the nail. On his way to the market, when he was going to the market, he met a snail. Okay, then Pinocchio was glad to see him and asked where the good and kind fairy was. And then he was glad to see the snail, and then he was asking that where is the good and kind fairy. He was sad to start to learn that she was very ill. Then after snail has told to or informed to him that she was very ill. Who was very ill? That good and kind fairy was ill. Now what happened? Let's see. Oh, the poor fairy. If I had a lot of money, I would have given it to her, but I have only 2 shillings. Take them. I want just going to buy a new suit. Go quickly and give the money to the kind fairy. So now, as you can see in this first paragraph, that oh, the poor fairy, if I had a lot of money, I would have given it to her. So if I have too much amount or too much money, then I can give it to her, but I have only 2 shillings. Okay, he had only 2 shillings, and that also he has given, that he is going to spend first, right? So he is going to the market, and he was going to just buy a new suit, but as he has noticed, then he has quickly given that 2 shillings for the kind fairy. Okay, that amount he has given it to kind fairy. But what about your new suit? Asked the snail. Then snail asked that what will happen to your suit, new suit? If you will give these 2 shillings, then how you will buy your new suit? Then don't ask questions. Go snail, hurry up. Then he said, Pinocchio said, don't ask these kind of questions. You just take this amount and you just go to the hurry. Okay, come back in 2 days time to take some more. Then after 2 days you just come back for taking some more. Okay, till now I have worked for my father. Then he said, till now I have worked for my father. Then from now on I will work for my kind fairy. Goodbye, snail. Then he said, I was working with I was working for my father, and now I will also work for the kind fairy. Okay. Goodbye, snail. Then now answer orally. From where do you think did Pinocchio plan to get the money in 2 days time for the kind fairy? From where he will bring the money? Let's see from where he is bringing the money. So here the first part of our chapter has been over. In the next video we are going to check out the second part. Thank you.